Back again in an emoji podcast. So this time I try to read on the video that I used to record before, even though it was basically not intended to be used for an emoji. But basically, I don't know whether I will upload this or not. Basically, it's just video of my application that goes into a submission for a certain competition online. So it was a failed submission as well, so it is very unnecessary to record this. Basically, it's just screen recording from Swift Playground in the new iPad that I finally got for development. Can be used it. You know, if you talk about, most of the time I only use my iPad just for watching YouTube. So that's the reason why, if the old iOS is still pretty much capable to run it, even though at some point it will crash if the video is quite heavy. Yeah, so the development of iOS is need the newest iPad OS, especially when you try to update the latest with Playground into the latest version. So it is just a very simple Swift UI template that I got officially and try to